Mona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Now.
Get it out.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. Your stick? Yeah? No, go put it away. No, no. No. No.
No, Wally. Wally.
Oh, small fella. No, you go straight on, mate. You go straight on. Doing a good job. That's a good well done. Good boy.
Really?